Hey, all the steps you need to move from your city life to a country life. So, you want to live self-sufficient and self-reliant. Right now, you live in the city. You've lived all your life as a city person. How can you possibly move to the country? Believe in yourself, your boss, your job. Walk right up to him or her and tell them what they can do with their stinking job. They were planning on firing you anyway. Get a bunch of boxes and pack up all your belongings. Say goodbye to your landlord and that overpriced, overtaxed city dwelling, whatever it might be. You no longer have a job. Fired. You can't afford it. Gas up your car, truck, van, whatever you have's fine. Load up all your boxes of belongings in a trailer and head on down the road. Get the heck out of town. Get on the freeway and just drive away from the city. Far, far, far away. Far on down the road. Head toward the country. Drive on down that road. Then get off the freeway. Get off the concrete. Look for a back road. Even better, look for a dirt road. Because nothing grows on a paved road. Believe in yourself and never ever regret anything that makes you smile. You must stop doing what other people around you are doing. Your limitations are self-imposed. Every action you take is either moving you closer to or further from your goal. If what you are doing is moving you closer to your goal, do more of it. If what you are doing is moving you away from your goal, then do less of it. You don't have a job. You don't own any land. You don't know what you'll do. Hey, you gonna live in your parents' basement? You'll figure it out as you go. Believe in yourself. We've packed up all our belongings and left our homes and jobs and drove halfway across the country to start a new chapter in our life 3 times. 3 times. If we can do it, and we're nothing special, you can do it too. Please refuse to look in the mirror each morning and say, man, I hate my life, but 10 years from now, my life will be great. There will always be something. There will always be some decision to be made. The timing is never gonna be right. You are never completely ready, and you must make the commitment to start living your life today. Every day there'll be challenges to overcome. Some might even seem or appear impossible. Sure, it'll be difficult at times. Sure, it's easy to get distracted. Most important, family and friends will be concerned with your plans, and they'll try to talk you out of it. For years, they thought you crazy, and now they're sure of it. So believe in yourself. If you have any questions, please ask. We are more than willing to help you. We truly want you to succeed. I pray I have motivated you to pursue your dreams. Live life doing it yourself.